Hi everyone, Sri Vignesh here. So this is day 15 of me sharing my learnings and explaining things in English. So as I'm preparing for PL 300 exam, the topic for today is manage workspace and dataset in Power BI, that is Power BI service. We have completed two modules and we are going to the third module, that is create dashboard in Power BI service. And let me go to the Power BI service first. So this is our workspace. And this is the report we have. So how to create a dashboard based on this report? Let me show now. So you will have a report like this and you go to any visual and click pin visual here. So if you click like this, a new tab will open and you can, so still now I haven't any created dashboard, so it is showing me new dashboard. And I'm pinning this visual to a dashboard, and again this visual also, and also this visual, and this too, and also this. So I have pinned uh, how many dashboards, how many, so one, two, three, four. So I have pinned 5 visuals to a dashboard. So let me go again to my workspace, and here is the dashboard, and I can go to this. As you can see, the visuals which I have pinned from the report is viewing showing here, and it is very large in size, right? So we can adjust if you want. And basically the dashboard is created to excuse me, the dashboard is created by the reporter or any other users to um, keep the overall information or very specific information that should be viewed by the users in the dashboard. It is a vis- collection of visuals from various reports. You can also pin visual from a different dashboard, different report, or different semantic model also. It will support that kind of thing. So it is organizing important information in a single page. So dashboard is created for that purpose, mainly that purpose, and it also serves many advantages. Let me explain in a while. And before that, I'm going to the dashboard again. So here we can align based on our needs. So for now, I'm keeping like this. Yeah. So let's go to the first topic. So configure data alerts in uh, dashboard. So what is configuring data alerts? So if I have any KPI cards or any visual, not every visual, KPI cards and card visual like that, and I want to let me know that if the data threshold of that card visual exceeds the limit which I set, I will receive a notification. So that is data alerts. So configuring data alerts in Power BI lets you set the notification for when the data meets the specific threshold. So it is not available for every visuals. It will be available for KPI card and gauges and cards. These are the visuals that supports data alerts. So let's see how to set up data alerts. So here we have a KPI visual. So we can go to the uh, three dots, that is ellipses, and let's go to the manage alerts option. And here in the manage alerts we have to add a rule. So that's That's how we can create the data alerts, and we should ensure that the active button here is on, and the title is revenue. So let's alter the alert title to some other thing. So notification for revenue is our new title, and the condition is when the so this is the threshold. This should be number, and when our revenue exceeds 2 million, then that is above 2 million, at most every 24 hours it will uh, give the notification frequency at once an hour, or also 24 once in a 24 hours. So we can select the mode, and we can save and close. If you don't want to send email, you can we can uncheck this box. Otherwise it will directly reach our mailbox if the revenue exceeds 2 million. So let's save and close. So by doing this, if our revenue exceeds 2 million in this dashboard, we will get a notification instantly. So to check this, we can again go to manage alerts, and we can see there is if there is any alerts it is being set for. So if you don't want it, you can deactivate. So if you off the activate button, it will be deactivated, and you can save and close. So this is how you should manage alerts, set alerts for your dashboards. So let's see the next topic, that is explore data by asking questions. So what is explore data by asking questions? So if you have a new user for your workspace, and they don't know how to interact with the dashboard, you can tell them there is a feature called Q&A feature. I will show you. If you go to your dashboard, at the top left corner, you can see the ask question about your data. You can go to that, and it will be having some predefined question also, and you can search it by. So here I have a product column called product new. So I want to see the top 10 product new. So if I click that like that, it will be showing the top 10 products. And if the keywords is not marked in the blue line underline, means it is not defined properly. So you should ensure that your keyword should be underlined in the blue line. So now let's see top 10 product by profit. So it will show top 10 products by profit, and if you want to ask more question, you can go to your ask question box, and you can ask. So if you want to pin this tile to your dashboard, you can do that as well. You can go to the right top corner and pin this visual, and to your existing dashboard you can pin that. You can go to your dashboard. After pinning that, you can see that there is a total profit bar chart by products, right? So by this you can uh, get the user to get more interactive with your dashboard. And let's go to the next topic. So the next topic is dashboard theme. Let me show an example. So here you have a dashboard, right? You can go to your edit button, and after that you can go to dashboard theme in that, and in that you will see a light mode, dark mode, and color brain friendly. So it will show the color very less. It will not throw contrast in your color, and you can use the custom also. You can add the background image for your. You can enter the URL. It will change the background of your dashboard, and you can use this black background color, change the background color and tile color, everything you want to change, and also the font color. So if you want to adjust the opacity, you can also do that as well. And This is how you should customize your dashboard theme, and you can download this current theme and also upload a JSON theme to customize your dashboard theme. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope I have explained it clearly. So if you are an expert watching my video and find any mistakes or miscommunication or misunderstanding, please let me know in the comment section. I'm open to learn from everyone. Thank you.